How to set shipping rates on Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can set shipping rates on Wix.com. Shipping rate actually applies if you want to have customers that are outside the region of your country and you need to ship their products. So shipping rate is a must factor because you need to have the shipping rates. Otherwise, your product will be in a state of loss. Because if the shipping rates are not decided, then the clients are going to pay the shipping rates. Then you're going to pay the shipping rates, and the clients will be, bound not to pay. So you need to agree upon a shipping rate and put it on your website so the clients can see. So the first thing that you need to do for that is to log into Wix.com. When you do, you need to click on settings. And from settings, you need to click here, shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. Once when it opens, it's going to take some time to open, but once when it opens, we need to add your region. Let me just show you how it's going to work. Here you go. We're going to click on create a new profile, and we're going to add an item, a product. Add items. The product has been added. And here we need to select a region. Let's add the region right here. Destination. Here you go. We're going to click on next. We can add more if we want. Shipping. Flat rate, rate by weight. We can go with flat rate. We can name it if we want. Shipping by weight. We can add the business days. And then we can select the rate. Here you go. And we can click on save. And here you go. The shipping rate has been added for this region. If you want to add more regions, that's completely up to us. But this is the main thing, how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please do like the video, subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.